welcome back. We're here again. We're here again. Once again, my name is Gbpusd, and we're here back testing again. Just if you watch this video from part one to this part nine, this is like the ninth video I've sent of this series, right? All right. Make sure you keep up. Hit my Telegram link, channel link. Join the group, join the community. Ask your questions, share ideas, and also hit me on WhatsApp, or you leave my WhatsApp link if you have a question. Yeah, that is how we roll. That is how we roll. Now, let's move on to backtesting, right? Let's not waste any more time. Now, let's reduce this. Okay, this is already done. Let's just reduce it to this point. This was at break even. This trade is already gone. We did it on the last video. Watch it to understand what we did here. This trade was at break even, and the trade hit our take profits. And you can see we had one loss, and we already know why we had this loss. So we won one, break even at one, and won the other one. Alright. So let's make at least two or more trades here and see the outcome. Alright. This is a resistance zone, right? I stretch this resistance zone because you can see we drew the resistance zone earlier on, and the price is coming back to a resistance zone, right? So we need a reaction here. Number one, we are having what psychology level here of 1.25500, and we have a resistance. That is two and two confluence, right? We need more confluences here, right? More confluences. So let's see what the price does here. It went back up because of that zone. Now we are expecting an end pattern, right? Like I told you, once you see something like end pattern is our entry, we're expecting something like this. Something like this. Hold on. Something like this. This one came down. We're expecting up and down. We're expecting something like this. From here, what we do is we shoot for a buy. We shoot for a buy. Alright? Shoot for a buy. That's what we're expecting. And if we see that end pattern on the higher time frame, like 1 hour, or we see the end pattern on 4 hours, it's a good trade for us. So let's go to 15 minutes and see what happens there. Alright? You can see, look at what it did. It gave us this move and it went up. Because I changed it when I changed the time frame, the price was moving, it was just moving forward. It was just moving forward. We didn't get an end pattern, so this is not our entry. Was not our entry. So remember, we have to see all our setup met before we enter any trade. So let's move ahead. This is a zone here. This is also a psychology level. So we're expecting that end pattern on this level as well. Alright. Let's just stick to this time frame. So the candlestick won't just be shifting ahead of us. So when I switched the candlestick, the time frames, the candlestick was shifting. That's why I didn't actually capture the move there. So now this is an end pattern for us. This is an end pattern for us. This zone has gone higher. So let me extend the zone. Because that price broke just a week, broke it above. So I'm expecting the price to come back here. I want the price to come back here. It's already coming back. I can start shooting from here, but I want it to come back here. Alright, okay, it's reacted on this zone. So let's shoot. Let's shoot. It reacted on this zone. This is a psychology level. This is psychology level. I'm just saying this now. So and it's giving us a bearish engulfing. So let's shoot. Let's shoot. Um let's shoot for a sell. Shoot for a sell. A sell. That's what we need. This is our entry here. Shoot for a sell. You are risking what? So let's move ahead. You can see we are risking 19 to get 39. So we have a 1:2. If we get to 10 pips in profits, we need supposed to be, let's see. We're not getting to 10 pips yet. Let's just leave it at 10 pips so we know when it gets there. We already know that we want to get to, but let's leave it at 10 pips so we know when we get there. Alright? This is at 10 pips. If it gets there, we know. Okay, it's at 10 pips now. Price is at 10 pips. So let's move stop loss to B. Let's move stop loss to B. Um, move stop loss to B. Alright, this is it. Then we can extend this. Let's leave it at 20 pips. Because now you are risking nothing to get 20 pips. Right? You can see it hit our break even. It came back to hit our break even. So look for another entry. Look for another entry. Now if you look at the 1 hour, we might see an end pattern there. But if I change it, I don't want this thing to go forward. Now look at what we're seeing here on 1 hour. Can you see this? We're waiting for the price to come back to this zone. Then we shoot. Can you see this? This is on 1 hour. Let's go back to 15 minutes. So once the price come back to this zone, we shoot. Alright, it's coming back to the zone. So this is our entry. Shoot for itself. It's coming back to the zone. It's coming back. Let's see what happens. Let's candlestick. Alright, so let's shoot from here. Let's shoot from here. Right? We are seeing like a weak rejection, weak rejection. So it's reversing. We have like multiple confirmation. End pattern on 1 hour. That's number one. End pattern on 1 hour. Number two is what? Zone. Number three is what? Psychology level here. Number four is what? Multiple week rejection. Multiple week rejection from our list here. Remember, everything we are doing is from this list. Alright? So let's shoot from here. Let's bring our risk to reward. Shoot. You sell. This is the sell trade. This is our entry. Stop loss will be below this zone. I think profit will be 1:2. We're risking 20 to get 40. That is it. So when we get to 10 pips profit, you can see this is another entry again. This is another entry. This is another entry. Now, if I want to have multiple entries, I'll enter another trade here just to maximize my trade. Let me make another entry here right now, so you can see how we trade it. Alright, this is another entry for me. I made it white so I'll be able to edit it like this. No, split it this one like this. Okay, over stop loss below this zone. This is the entry here. This is the entry. Can reduce this one, right? So we can have a profit here, have a profit here. So now you can see the move upward. I told you 10 pips, we move stop loss to break even, right? How many pips is this? This is 10 pips for this guy. Move it to break even. What about for this guy? It is not up to 10 pips yet for this guy. It's not up to 10 pips. Let's leave the price to okay, let's check it again. Let's see 10. It's not up to 10. Let's wait for the price to move again. It's going backwards. Let's wait for it to move. We need 10 to move it to break even. This one is already a risk-free trade. You understand? So the second guy is not risk-free yet. Alright? You are still trading this. Alright, this one had hit what? You can see this thing. This is at break. This trade this trade is out. You can see it hit us at break even. So that trade is a free trade right there. You can actually make another entry again. This is another entry here. This is another entry here. This is another entry. Move stop loss. This is another entry we made here. Because we got hit out. I know this trade is still valid because of our confidences. It's still in the zone. So expect it to reverse downwards. So let's see. This is like maximizing the trade. move. Let me take this out. Right, to the entry. Move stop loss below this point. Use 20 to get 40. So it moves in our favor again. Remember, if it moves 10 pips, stop loss to break even. How many pips is this? Not to 10. We're expecting 10 pips. The market is consolidating. This is 8 pips. 8. This is 10. Let's see. Okay, this is 10 pips now. Move stop loss to break even. Alright. This one also, is it 10 pips? This is 13 pips. Move stop loss to break even. Right? So now we are having a risk-free trade, so we can put our take profits. This can be 20 pips. Let's see how it plays. You can see this one it has broken our take profits. This guy, this guy, it was at 30 pips, so it's 20 pips. It's 50 of there. So we had like we had break even at one point. So I can write everything down. I can write everything down that we did. We had break even at one point. We didn't lose any trade. We didn't have any loss. We had break even. Let me just put everything that happened there down. Then we won. We won a trade. We won another trade. Remember this same conference that we have here. That is what we used there. Just that we used it instead of 15 minutes. We had to sit on 1 hour to make it very strong. And if you look at 4 hours too, it might still give us the same end pattern for our entry and shoot. And you can see we maximized this trade and we won. You can see this trade. It gave us. Let's see how well. So you can see if you even check it right now. You can see it gave us our take profits. And this trade can still get to this point. This is where I'm anticipating. Yeah, I'm anticipating the trade to come to this point here. This is the last video I'm making on this strategy. Make sure you backtest this yourself. That's how you really learn. I'm expecting this price to get here, but I didn't put my take profits here. I just put it here for the sake of this video. If it's like, I can leave my take, I can leave my actually leave my because on my trade chart I have the ability to do like what I want. So I can actually leave my take profits open and move my stop loss to somewhere around 10 pips, 20 pips, or maybe I can just take my profits here and relax and wait for another entry. So it's just up to you. Yeah, so the trade will get here to 1.25500. This is based on my um, experience trading. That's how I know this. This is not magic. Based on my experience trading and based on psychology level, I'm expecting to get here, but you see, it didn't get there. So that's why it's good sometimes to work with your stop loss or work with your, or to just take your profit and just leave. Target your 1:2 and just leave. Or once you move your stop loss to break even, you can actually um, maximize your entry, minimize your take profits points just to make sure you hit your take profits from this strategy, and you see how it works. You can see the price haven't even gotten back to our entry as we were on this trade, and the price is still coming back for the sell. Can you see this? Boom. Can you see this? As we had that boom, that is it. You see the price didn't come back to our entry. It didn't come back to our entry. It went down because this psychology level is very strong. If you pull it and to still do what, also do what, it will make it. You can see at this point it rejected, and this price is like from here I'm going to buy. From here I'm going to buy because I'm seeing an end pattern here to buy. This is my buy trade here. But let's leave that. This video has gotten too long. This is almost getting to 15 minutes. So I say bye to you guys for now. Meet on the Telegram link or on my WhatsApp. So you see how the strategy works. You can see you have more winning than losses, and you won't have any loss at all. Assuming we just follow this our trading plan from the first trade. The first trade I didn't add it there because I was supposed to add it there, but I didn't add it there. But I'm happy that was a loss. I'm happy the first trade was a loss, so that you can learn to add it to your own. If not, it will end up being a loss. just like this first trip. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll have a reply to it. Thank you very much, guys. I love you all.